Hi, we're here with Pam Karlan, a law professor at Stanford University and co-author of a new book called Keeping Faith with the Constitution, co-written with Professors Goodwin Liu and Chris Schrader. Can you please tell us a little bit about why this book is so important, particularly at this time?
Well, I think the reason this book is important is because for far too long, liberals and progressives and moderates have been defensive about how the Constitution ought to be interpreted. And yet, when you look at the actual document itself, when you look at the text, when you look at the structure, when you think about how the Constitution has developed over time, our view of the Constitution is the one that has in fact prevailed. It's the one that gives Congress the power to deal with the economic crisis we're in now. It's the vision that gives the Congress and the people to deal with changes in our understanding of equality and changes in technology that make it more important than ever to protect our privacy under the Fourth Amendment. So our view of the Constitution better conforms to the way our Constitution has developed over time and better explains how the Constitution should continue to be understood as we move into another century, another millennium of really challenging problems. I think the book both sets out in great detail how to read the text of the Constitution and how to understand its principles and its structure, and then goes through a number of case studies to show how our view of the Constitution explains, in a way that a conservative view simply can't, why Brown against Board of Education is right, or why Social Security is constitutional, or why privacy remains an enduring value that has to be protected in new ways. So I'm really confident if people read this book, they'll understand that our Constitution really is a constitution for people who are members of ACS and who support the idea of liberty and equality, access to justice, and the rule of law.